How many people in your area are searching for your products and services? In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to use Google data to see how many people have searched for what you're selling or what you're renting in the last 12 months. What's up, Tariq here with Event Hawk, bringing you the best tips and tools to level up your business online. So I get this question all the time. Tariq, should I get into tables and chairs or tents or photo booths? I have customers asking me, should I hire somebody for marketing? I don't know how many people are searching for my stuff. How's my business doing? Am I getting enough bookings? Should I get more inventory? Well, the big tool that you can use for this, what I'm gonna show you guys today, is really to see first how many people in your area are actually searching for this. Because if you just kind of get that funnel vision and only look at, man, I got 3 calls today asking for tables and chairs, you might not ever get another call again, right? And then you're gonna do that. A lot of people make that mistake. So what you wanna do is you wanna see hard numbers, hard data from Google to see how many people in your specific area that you service are actually searching for these products. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that right now.
All right, so the first thing you're gonna wanna do is open up Google Ads. To get there, you're gonna go to ads.google.com. If you don't have an account, create an account. You will have to be running ads right now for you to see the most accurate data, but if not, that's okay. You'll see kind of a range. I'll see what I'm talking about in a second. Once you're in there, you're gonna click on Tools and Settings, and then you're gonna click on Keyword Planner. And then from there, you're gonna click on Discover New Keywords. And this is where you can just start to kind of put in what you think your customers search. So I say bounce house rentals, water slide rentals. Those are the keywords that I know. But even if you don't know, you can use other words like, jumper rentals. You'll click enter, moonwalk rentals, and this is going to tell you which keywords are used most. Then you're going to click get results. And not only will it show you the overall search volume, it'll show you month by month breakdown. So in the month of June, 1.7 million searches. That's insane, guys. And in the month of December, it goes down to 350. But this is where you see all the different keywords. And if you click on average monthly searches, then you will go ahead and see that bounce house rentals is in fact the most used word, and water slide rentals is right under that, followed by bounce house rentals near me, inflatable water slide. So this really helps you figure out which actual keywords to use, not just what you think, what your customers are actually typing in.
So that's how you search for the whole US, but how do you search for your actual service area? It's not a simple way to do that, and I'll show you guys how to do that next. But first, what marketing, sales, or website questions do you guys have? Put them in the comments and I'll try to answer them in the next video. And hey, if you've gotten any kind of value from this video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to this channel so I can keep making videos like this.
So now that you have the numbers across the whole US and the keywords, to go ahead and bring it down to your specific area, you're gonna click where it says United States. It'd be nice if you could just put in like a radius, but you can't. So if I just put in, let's say, Orland Park, Illinois. Well, first thing you want to do is get rid of the US because it's still showing the US. But if you click X, notice how it's only going to show me Orland Park, but I also deliver to Orland Hills and Homer Glen and Tinley Park. You have to literally put every single city in there, and that can take you forever. So the preferred way to do it is just put in your county. So I'm in Cook County. It's a pretty big county, and it'll show you like how many people. So target this. I don't service this whole area, but it'll at least give me an idea of just that area, not just the whole US. So I see that it's 37,000 people in June and 5,000 in December. If I were to do this in, for example, let's say the Houston area, I would say Houston, and it should give you kind of like the Houston area. Notice Houston, Texas itself, 11,000 people, the general area, DMA region. So it shows you kind of the whole Houston area. You're gonna say, Tariq, well, this is not my exact area. I don't go to here, there. It's okay. The point of this is just to be able to see specifically in your general area how much potential business there is and what keywords customers are using to go ahead and search. So where, in Houston, moonwalks may be a bigger word that's used than in Florida, for example. So that's really where it helps to kind of do this. Don't worry too much about the exact numbers or setting up the exact area. You do that more when you set up your actual Google ads. When you're actually targeting that area and you're trying to get your business to show up in that area, that's when you want to select just specific areas. But for this section, we're just doing research, and you want to kind of have general idea of the area that you're researching.
Now, what if I told you can actually see what keywords your competitors are using on their website? If you want to learn that, you're definitely going to want to check out this video. But if you're more interested in learning what to do with these keywords, like, okay, Tariq, now I know what to do with these keywords. I have the keywords. What do I do with them? How do I go ahead and use them for marketing? Go ahead and check out my Google Ads crash course to learn exactly how to plug those keywords into Google Ads and start making some money. And I'll see you on the next one.